listening to the lecture, I had a hope that I can actually change my life in attitude, in practice, and it was very clear in my mind that there is some kind of a way that you can overcome. I can overcome the obstacles which was disturbing me constantly. And now it's the right time. It's always right time anyway. But after listening to this lecture, it helped me to have a very clear view first, and also the confidence and a very creative thinking that how I can proceed on, continuously learning, continuously performing, doing, until it ends naturally. So, and also I learned that I can really, really enjoy the journey, and there is no worry, no depression, no frustration. So I'm sure that this class can help a lot of people, small, big, doesn't matter, old, young, doesn't matter, to get the people to be led safely and pleasantly to the goal their minds are telling them that you have to go for it. And even unconscious beginning. CMR by Chandra and Chandra, you are simply great, and you are making it, leading people, guiding people, and enjoying the process as well. Super.